Okay, so look at the simplest organic compound that is alkane. I will use the formula PPS. S is suffix, P refer to the parents, the longest carbon chain, P refer to prefix. Okay, so look at the first organic compound. Okay, at first you need to find the longest carbon chain. So longest carbon chain is 3 carbons. So 3 means prop, the longest carbon. Okay, prop. Okay, and since this organic compound is alkane, so just put A and E. Okay, just put A and E. So propane. Alright, and the prefix refer to the substituent that attached to the longer carbon chain. In this case, okay, so methyl, okay, is attached to the carbon number 2 of the longest carbon chain. So means 2-methyl propane. Okay, 2-methyl propane. Okay, look at another example here. Okay, alright, wait a minute. So the longest carbon chain is but. Okay, but refer to the prefix since this organic compound is alkane, so butane. Okay, and then the prefix refer to the this, okay, substituent that attached to the carbon number 2. So 2-methyl butane. Okay, 2-methyl butane. Okay, look at another example here. Alright, so the longest carbon chain is prop. Okay, prop is the parents. Okay, since this organic compound is alkane group, so propane. Okay, then you need to find the prefix. So prefix, so there are 2 similar, okay, methyl group at the same carbon number 2. So 2,2-dimethyl propane. Okay, 2,2-dimethyl propane. Okay, let's do these questions. Okay, so look at the first question. Okay, how to give the IUPAC name for the first compound? Okay, at first you need to find the parents. As usual, I will use the PPS. Okay, so since, okay, A, B, C, D, all are the alkanes compounds, so make sure you put the A and E at the end of the organic compound. Alright, so P refer to the longest carbon chain. So if you notice, so this is the longest carbon chain. Okay, how to start? Okay, how to start the numbering? Okay, you have to give the lower number, which is the substituent, okay, in the nearest to the carbon here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, and 5. Okay, so 5 means pentane. Okay, pentane. Okay, next you have to find the prefix. So there are 2 similar of methyl, so means, okay, you need to put the 2,3-dimethyl pentane. Okay, 2,3-dimethyl pentane. Okay, next look at the another questions. Okay, for the B. Okay, so this is stick or line organic compound. Okay, so if you notice here, so this is the longest carbon chain. Okay, so this is the longest carbon chain. Okay, how to give how to count the number. Okay, and then before that you have to find the substituent. So this is the substituent. Okay, classify the substituent. So if you notice, this is methyl, okay, and this is ethyl. Right, so if you notice, you can count here, you can start count here 1 2 3 4, right? Or you can count 1 2 3 4. Okay, if you notice, okay, you will get 4 methyl, 4 methyl, or 4 ethyl, 4 ethyl. Alright, so what is the best answer for this question? Okay, please bear in your mind, you have to arrange in the alphabetical order. So the correct answer is 4 ethyl. Alright, 4 ethyl. So 1 2 3 4, okay, 4 5 6 7 8. So 4 ethyl, okay, 5 methyl, 5 methyl, okay, octane. Okay, 4 ethyl, 5 methyl, octane. Okay, next, look at the question 6. Question C. Okay. As usual, you need to find the longest carbon chain. So if you notice, so this is the longest carbon chain. Okay, and then so which one you want to start to count? Here or here? So here. Okay, you have to start count here. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, again octane. Okay, again octane. Okay, and then find the substituent. So you have methyl, okay, at carbon number 2, also another methyl at carbon number, methyl at the carbon number 3, okay, and another methyl at carbon number 4. Okay, other than that, you also have ethyl at the carbon number 4. So ethyl at carbon number 4, yes. Okay, so 4 ethyl, okay, 4 ethyl, okay, 4 3-dimethyl octane. Okay, 4 ethyl 3,4-dimethyl octane. Okay, how about for D? D here, okay, as usual, you need to find the carbon chain. Okay, so if you notice, this is the longest carbon chain. So this is the longest carbon chain. Right, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 is heptane. Okay, and then you need to, okay, identify the substituent. So this is first, second, and third similar of the methyl group. Okay, methyl. Okay, so this is carbon CH3, first carbon, so methyl. So there are 3 similar, okay, methyl group, and here is okay, 1 2 3 propane. So the answer is, okay, 2,3,5-trimethyl for propyl heptane. Alright, so these are some of the main functional group that you need to know, and also the organic homologous history. Alright, okay, so alkene, okay, actually there's no functional group for alkene. Alright, so just put A and E. Okay, for example, ethane. Okay, alkene, okay, the functional group is double bond. Okay, for example, but one in one. Okay, so means one here refer to the position, the functional group at the first carbon. Okay, another example, alkyne. So alkyne, the functional group is triple bond. Okay, for example, ethyne. Okay, ethyne. Next, alcohol, the functional group is hydroxyl. Okay, hydroxyl group. Okay, so the naming, okay, the suffix just put the all. Okay, all. Aldehyde, so I think this is new for you. Okay, aldehyde, so this is the functional group of aldehyde. Okay, and the naming, the suffix is al. Okay, ethanol, it refer to the, okay, 2 carbon 1 2 and then put the al. Okay, another example is ketone. Okay, ketone, one is not one. Okay, for example, propanon. Okay, one, propanon. Okay, another example here. Okay, carboxylic acid, the functional group is carboxyl or carboxylic acid. Okay, for example, butanoic acid, but refer to the 4 carbon 1 2 3 4. So just put oic. Okay, oic acid, butanoic acid. Okay, another example, homologous series. Okay, carboxylate ion. Okay, carboxylate ion. Okay, for example, ethanoate. Okay, ion. Okay, it's 1 2. So there are 2 carbons. So that's why we put the it. So ethanoate ion. Ester. Okay, actually there are 2 section, okay, in naming for ester. YL from the alcohol and OH from the acid. Okay, for example, ethyl ethanoate. Okay, ethyl actually come from alcohol. Okay, and ethanoate comes from, okay, carboxylic acid. Okay, another example of homologous series. Okay, amines. Okay, so there are 3 types of amine: primary, secondary and tertiary. Okay, primary, secondary and tertiary. Okay, so in your syllabus, okay, you need to know only primary. Secondary and tertiary is not covered. Okay, so look at the first example of primary amines. Okay, so if, okay, as usual, we use the PPS. Okay, as refer to the amine. Okay, suffix is amine. Okay, next, okay, find the longest carbon chain. So this is longest carbon chain, propane. Okay, so propane 1 amine. Since amines, okay, so this is amine. Okay, is located carbon first. Propane 1 amine. Okay, look at the secondary amines. Okay, secondary amines, so please bear in your minds there are 2 alkyl groups. So this is first alkyl group and second alkyl group, and there is only 1 hydrogen. For the primary amines, there is only 1 alkyl group. So in this case, okay, is a alkyl group. Okay, for the first primary amine, and there are 2 hydrogen. Okay, back to the secondary amine. Alright, how to give name for the secondary amine? As usual, we will use the PPS. Okay, amine. Okay, and propane, the longest carbon chain, and substituent methyl. Okay, so and methyl propane 1 amine. Okay, and tertiary amines, okay, means there's no hydrogen attached to the amine group. Okay, and there are only alkyl. There are 3 alkyl group. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, as usual, we'll use the PPS. Okay, amine. Okay, butane is the longest carbon chains. Okay, and 2 similar methyl. So N dimethyl butane 1 amine. Okay, And so this is a homologous series for amide.